Did you know that one of the shockingly quickest ways to lose belly fat is contained in just one drink? It's time to find out the best drink suitable for you. If you want to learn about this secret technique, watch this video to the end. By drinking this healthy juice every night before you sleep, you will be able to notice its shrinking effect on your belly in just weeks. Because your digestive system's metabolism naturally slows down at night, it is usually difficult for your body to break down fat when you have just eaten a meal before bedtime. So here are the best and most effective ingredients you can use for an easy-to-make, healthy drink. Take note that these ingredients should be taken with precaution if you are known to be allergic to any of them. One of the best ingredients you can use to create a juice drink is cucumber. Cucumbers have low calories and contain zero fat, making them a perfect partner if you want to snack on something healthy. Because cucumber is also made up of 90% water, it can help hydrate your body, which is vital for weight loss and reducing body fat. Add this juicy ingredient for a refreshing drink. Parsley and cilantro, or coriander leaves, are also one of the best belly fat reducers. Both herbs contain less than 25 calories each and have fewer than a half a gram of fat. Adding these herbs to your dishes can also fuel up your body's vitamins and minerals intake, which are essential in alleviating constipation and bloating. Another important ingredient that can help decrease your belly fat is ginger. Drinking ginger combined with water can help with indigestion that causes bloating, and it lowers cholesterol levels. Lemon is also a good fruit and ingredient to add to your belly-reducing drink. Its juice, when mixed with water, contains very few calories that you can drink to improve your digestion, boost your metabolism, and keep your body hydrated at all times. These ingredients can be easily found at grocery stores near you and can be combined to make a secret drink that can help reduce your belly fat. Continue watching this video to find out how to make this drink. Here are the ingredients that you will need. First, 1 whole medium cucumber. Next, 1 tablespoon of ginger, peeled and grated. Next, 1 whole lemon, freshly juiced. Next, 1 cup of parsley and cilantro, coriander. Next, 1/2 glass of warm or cool water. And here's the easy procedure. Blend all ingredients together. Then be sure to drink a glass before bedtime every night. By incorporating this easy-to-make drink to your daily diet just before going to sleep, you now don't have to worry about eating that last slice of cake before bedtime. Just make sure that you also exercise regularly and avoid too many meals that are high in cholesterol or calories so that you can achieve your dream of having a flatter and more toned belly. Remember, discipline is key to achieving the body that you want. Have you learned any new health tricks today? If you like this video, feel free to share it with the world. For more health tips and secrets like this one, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.